Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to fix blurry screen in Overwatch 2. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser in your PC or laptop. And then, once you're in your internet browser, search the following: how to fix blurry screen in Overwatch 2. Now what you're going to do is click on the first link that appears on the searches. In here, you're going to scroll down. Then we are going to see the steps and the reasons and the cause and the solution to fixing blurry screen in Overwatch 2. Now this will be a very lengthy read, so go ahead, take your time in reading whatever is in this website. Go ahead, take your time. So here's a step-by-step guide. Number 1. Open Overwatch 2. And then, once it loads, press Escape, Options, then go to Video Settings. Now set your video resolution to match your monitor's maximum supported display resolution. In common cases, it's going to be 1920 by 1080. And now, you're going to find Dynamic Render Scale, and then don't forget to turn it off. Once you find the render scale, set it to custom. Now you're going to go to in-game resolution. It is below the render scale and set the value to 90 to 100%. And that's it. Just continue on the website if the problem persists. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.